chapter 6, 6.24, setting the property of our connection. So we follow is the last video is we talk about the band point, and now is we will see here. You can see by default is just black, the solid line, depending on the type of your connection. But here is we have the text style and also this link style. So let's go to here is we may, if you come to from here, so that is our chapter 6, 24. So this one, that will be linking to the later is relation, connection, appearance property. So it's this one. So we may make that a connection. So when we come to chapter 8, is the 8.5 is we may have more detail about that. For this video is we just try to build this three-element two relations diagram and show you is the quickly is how text and link is can be setting the property. So whenever there's a diagram is I also try to within the 10 minutes for every video is let's do a model, do our diagramming, the practice, so that you learn the hands-on skill. So first of all, close this model, then create a new one. That is this connection property. So you may see here is that's great. It's still here. So within our one model is all the views will be inherit this setting, and that will be saved within your Archi application. So that always have this the available. So let's now check that out. So that is no need to put that. So let me F2 copy this and save that to our new model file. Then that one is our business object, so customer, and the second is business object is the customer file, and we have application data object, customer file data. So that is the three, and we drag this here. So customer left, customer file right is the customer data here. So and we can see from using the magic customer to customer, this one we can use aggregate. So aggregate is starting from the source, then the source will be the parent, and from the data object to business object is a realization. So we can give a name for those realization, like is the realization of customer file. So remember is you can also have a label. So label expression you can add. So it's not necessary this must be in the name. Even you can put that to the documents. You can use this node, this label expression to load that. But looks like here is they are not in the middle. So one thing is in the appearance. So you can put that text position. We can put that to the target, then that is closer to the customer file now. So that is one, and let's enlarge this property. So then appearance, you can see here, I can make that bold and italic. So then that is like italic, looks like this, not bold. And I can scroll to the right is the font color. So I can find this maybe any color. If you want, I use purple. So that is change the color. Then this one is the line color. So line, let's go to this pink. So, and move to the right is you can make the line medium heavy. Let's make that heavy. Then you can see the difference. So that is the connections property. So now if you make that to this vertical, this link text not overlapping your this link. Similarly, is this one. If you want to see, as I want blue and also heavy. So then that will get this one. So and there's no text, so you don't need to set is any text. You can see show label. So if I have this is the, let's see. So remember is we can have a model name. So because I have putting that is the show label, so if I check that it's not show label, but this link is still have this show label. So every link have the its own the appearance setting, so it's not impact each other, not like this grid visible. Some is like a global setting, some are the specific item or this concept-based setting. So, but show label means is this show that as the model name is not too much make sense. So let's uncheck that, remove that. So save that. Then this is the way is you can set some property of our connection. We will test more detail is in chapter 8. So no hurry for now. Then next video is we will go to the 6.25, which is the setting the connection router type for our view. So see you then. Bye for now.